Now, before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. Hello! Welcome back! So, today, I'm going to introduce the 40 pieces screwdriver bit set. So, nakikita niyo naman. Super sealed pa siya. So, we have the honor to unbox. So, ito na yun. Ooh! So, ito na yung screwdriver. Natabi ko muna. So, ito na! Ito na! Let's open it. Ooh! Ayan. So, nakikita niyo may case pa siya na hard case. So, yan. Finally natin. Ayan. O, diba? Nakikita niyo. Bit set. And may socket pa siyang kasama. So, i-close up ko to for you guys. So, meron din siyang socket dito. So, we have the hexagon type and the square type. So, this is size 3/8. Okay, close on it. I'm gonna show you right now. So, ito na yun ang close-up ni 40 pieces screwdriver set. So, once again, ito siya. So, naka-indicate din naman dito guys kung back-to-back kung ano yung mga inclusion niya. And yung mga sizes especially. Ayan. Okay, on to opening once again. Okay. So, meron tayo dito. Zoom natin ng konti. Okay. So, may nakikita tayo dito na hexagon type of screw. Now, ito ay point spline, then ito ang torque screw. Now, ano ba itsura ulit ni hexagon? Baka makalimutan nyo kung ano yung itsura ni hexagon. So, ito ang itsura ni hexagon. Yan. So, next, ano yung itsura ni point spline? Kunin natin ito, medyo malaki-laki. So, si point spline kasi is merong, no, not 6, but 12 points. Yan, si point spline. So, last but not the least, of course, si torque screw. So, si torque screw ay 6 points. Kung si point spline ay 12, si torque screw ay 6. Now, nakikita natin dito may sizes sila. So, ano itong nakasulat na 1/2? Ang 1/2 meaning yung size niya by length. Now, ano yung size niya naman sa baba? So, nakikita natin ang size na 3/8. So, meaning, mahaba din siya. So, mas mahaba talaga siya. Now, meron tayo connectors niya and socket. So, meron tayong sizes na palapad naman yung thickness ng end points or screw points. So, meron tayo mga sizes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Then, meron din tayo doon yun sa hexagon. Now, dito sa point spline, meron tayong 5, 6, 8, 10, and 12. But what about dito sa torque screw? So, meron tayo sa torque screw is 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, and 55. So, magkaiba lang sila ng way na paglaki. Pero, ganun din siya. May sizes siya from maliit pa kapal. So, depende din talaga kasi kung ano yung nabili or yung kailangan or nakalagay ng gagamitin nyo. So, depende talaga yon. It will always depends dun sa paggagamitan. Kung ano yung kailangan nyo. Okay? So, yun lang ang nasa loob niya. Yun na yung laman. So, this is, narinig nyo ba yung sound? It's all good, high quality, CRV, steel. So don't worry guys, this is highly durable. So zoom out natin. And ayan! Then, let's go. So, yun na ang laman ni 40 pieces screwdriver bit set. Okay, so don't forget, ganito yung tsura niya guys ha. Nakalagay naman yan. So you can see what's inside. So that is all what I can do today for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. May natutunan kayo sa akin. And please look forward sa mga future videos namin. And support us by watching our previous videos. Now like, comment, and share dito sa Facebook, sa YouTube, and elsewhere. Thank you so much guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.